Good morning, everybody. To start this video off really quick, I just had a quick little tip. I was finishing up this Integra, and I remembered when I first started doing fab work, I was going to drill a hole in a charge pipe for this blow-off valve flange, right? And if you actually put a hole saw in this that fits it and you go to drill through it, it's actually way too big. So like if you use a 2-inch hole saw, which is what fits in this nice and tight, like this is loose. This is an 1.75 inches. It's really loose. Like if you can hear that, it's a lot of slop. But because you're actually going through tube, I don't know what it is, but by the time you hole saw through it, it makes it bigger. I don't know why. Science, no clue. Let me show you guys how it actually fits. So if you're thinking that the 1.75 inches is gonna be too small, it actually is literally perfect. Now obviously the angle's gonna differ because the camera's not perfectly up and down on it, but take my word for it, it's good to go. That's your little morning tip for you. For blow-off valve flange welds on there for tile styles, use an 1.75 inch hole saw. If any of you guys were curious where I was at on this Integra, I just got it all finished up for what the customer wanted me to do. Went ahead and did the intercooler piping, the down pipe of course, recirced it into the exhaust. You ain't gonna be able to see it, but it's down there. You can kind of see it. This side intercooler piping was super simple, just a 45 up, nice and tight, all one piece. And then I went ahead and got the intercooler installed. Should be right about the perfect level for the bumper to still fit nicely and not be too low to where it drags on the ground. So in a little bit of a rush today because I need to go load this up, go to Wyatt, so I'm gonna go hang out with him for a little bit. I'm sure we'll do something. And then I gotta go we're gonna go take my trailer to the material place, get some sticks of material because Wyatt needs some more to finish his. He's gonna actually deliver, and we're gonna crank out some stuff on his truck next week. So I hope you guys are excited about that. We're gonna go get some material, and then I'm gonna go drop them back off, and then I'm gonna go deliver this to the customer. So yes, I did pick this up from him. That's the thing, right? Is like I used to have people all the time say, oh, you're too far north, like you're an hour north, that's too far for me to drive to get fab work done. And I'm like, okay, because I gotta figure out how to get it delivered most of the time, because like this one, they don't run and drive because the turbo kit's not done. And then I realized, like, dude, I got a 24-foot enclosed trailer. I'll just come pick it up and I'll charge it $60 for diesel or $80 for diesel. Just fill up the diesel, you know? So works out really good. Makes customers happy, makes me happy. And yes, that's all you can ask for, really. So I just want to show you guys a project. Really cool little simple setup. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have already seen it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me at Metigulous. I post stuff there before I ever post stuff here, of course, because it takes time to film and edit this. So don't miss out. Go follow me on Instagram. And we are back. So today we're going to be finishing up the couple little things in the RX-7 before tomorrow we go insert the cage. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be here late tonight. It's really hot and I didn't get much done yet because it's been so hot. Just have like no motivation to do anything. So I'm going to work late tonight and just finish up the cage. I need to add the dash bar in. I went ahead and got the steering column already removed out of the way. I just had it zip tied up there. I also did, let me turn this light on for you guys. I finally got rid of the clutch pedal on this thing. This clutch pedal was just in here dangling, and because of it's part of the assembly up here, I had to actually just like take it off, cut it, and then bolt the piece back on because it spaces out the bolt that runs through the brake pedal. Anyways, gas pedal's gonna be moved, and I'll modify the brake pedal later on. But the dash bar goes from this like down bar right here over to the other side, and that bar is where? And that is this bar right here. I need to notch it a little bit because it actually sits like right on the top edge of this bar right here, so I need to notch it a little bit, and then we'll get it tacked up in there and then have a fun old time welding it in there. After that, I'm gonna go ahead, pull the transmission bolts out, pull the motor out, bolt up the mid plate and whatnot, and I need to weld the front bars as well. So I'm gonna add 2 bars on both sides of it as well. Show you guys that here in a little bit once we get the motor pulled out of it. I just went ahead and got the, oh man, I don't know, I just went ahead and got the dash bar tacked in place. Just making sure that like this is gonna work. Right now, the dash bar is kind of acting like a spacer to the steering shaft. So it actually works out good because of how low the seat is mounted in here and how far back I am. I'm actually going to have to, because I'm going to have to extend the steering wheel probably like about 6 inches, because I'm going to be right about here, maybe 4 inches, 4 to 6 inches. I actually think the angle of the steering shaft is going to have to come down a little bit, so I might have to build some spacers for where it attaches up top. and angle it down even more. So we should be good to go there. I mean, this is like full lock. Like, I don't know, it's kind of sketchy. Shifter's gonna have to move back, brake pedals have to move back. My feet, like, even on like my tippy toes, like, I can barely touch the brake pedal and I can't touch the gas at all. So yeah, I'll worry about that later. To get it started, we don't really need it, but just check in with the dash bar that it's gonna be good. So we're good to go. Let's go ahead and weld it. It's funny too, I had some people actually just thinking about this, just random thought. I had some people saying like, gosh dang, you made that funny car hoop so wide, it's wider than the trans tunnel. And now that I'm sitting in here, you guys know why I made it this wide, right? Like, I'm sitting here tucked in. Like, if I wanted to sit out like this, like, you imagine if I would have made it tighter. Like, this is my elbow right here. Like, it's literally like not even, I can't even put my arm all the way sideways. So my thought too is if I ever do roll it or anything happens, hopefully not, but if anything does happen, I want it as far as possible away from me, because that means it gives it more room to actually like squish and bend before it actually bends into me and hurts me. So yeah, I try to get it, the seat's going to be scooted over towards the transmission tunnel as far as I can get it, so that way I'm further away from this. But this is going to be pretty similar, like right about how I'm going to sit in the car. So it's kind of ridiculous, like I can barely see over, I'm not going to be able to see over the hood, I can barely see over the cowl. So like the top of my eyes are like right at the top of the windshield wipers. So I sit really low in the car, but I should be okay. So just a little side thought. Let's weld this. Yeah, dang. Oh. Dash bars in. Easy. So simple, dude. Jupiter said it's time to take a break. I don't know why, but she like all day she'll like harass me. She'll like run over to me and like jump on me and like, or like jump off me with her two front paws. And I'm like, dude, what are you doing? And I gotta play with her, but she doesn't even want to play. She's such a goofball, and she like flips her head back all weird too. She's really weird. What are you doing, Jupe? Jupe. What are you doing? Big chillin'.
Let me just get some paint on your nice new camera.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, bro. Here, let me see.
You got Carlos over here helping me while I weld and fab up some more bars up front. He's over in here painting the cage.
Need to get it done. Got deadlines.
Paints at his day job and then comes here and paints cages.
Yeah. Carlos custom.
Just some rattle cans, some.
Bro, is it a rattle can job? It's expensive.
I don't know what else you're supposed to use on it. Wyatt will probably get fancy with his and like spray it with some nice stuff, but this will be good enough for me. I'll probably have to get like some like little like cover thing so it doesn't wear the paint off, but I just don't want it to rust like I said. So Carlos is gonna do this while I fab up some bars.
Watch out. So guys, Hayden's been working out a lot. After going to the skate park, he just goes to the gym.
This is my pro mod.
Oh snap!
Oh shit!
So not on the jack stand or what?
It might not be. There we go.
There you go.
I don't know why that's so easy to pick up. Like, it's definitely light, but I definitely feel like because it's already like up, it's super easy to pick up. But I mean, realistically, it should weigh probably like 1,000 to 1,200 pounds like this without the motor in it.
I have a good idea. Do you still have the scale?
No.
You can just pick up the car and go on the scale?
Dude. That's actually kind of funny. We should see what it does.
Wait, do you have the scale?
I think it maxed out at 250.
Well,
let me grab it.
Shit, I mean, I could just stand on it then. Oh, and then just to max it out?
280.
Okay, well, that's not going to do anything then.
It's kind of funny, though. Let me see if it's on the jack stand still. Oh, yeah, it is. Ow. Bro, it's just going to max it out right away.
Oh, what? It just...
It just went all the way around again.
Around, so
from past 280 to 120.
Wait, no. Wait, what?
I don't know. That's stupid.
On this episode of Mythbusters.
It went all the way around, though. Nah, it's...
Wait, how many times did it go around, though?
I don't... That's true. Maybe it went around twice.
Yeah.
But, like, it's definitely light. But I feel like the reason why... I don't know. I guess we could put it on the ground. I could try and pick it up. Probably there's no way I'm going to be able to pick it up. I'm going to give myself a hernia.
Oh, snap, dude.
This thing is light as shit.
Your face during that, dude.
Dude, that's actually like not even that much of a struggle to do it. Dude, I can't
Really?
deadlift for shit, all right? Like, no joke, I can't deadlift for shit. And this thing comes up so easy.
Well, there you go, bro. You don't need a gym.
Dude, that's
You just do
hilarious.
this.
This thing is light.
Yeah.
Damn.
You happy with it or what?
Yeah, let's load it up.
All right. You can just carry it. I'm out. See you later, dude.
All right, so I was just messing with the shocks, right? I was like, why'd they come up so easy? And it's because they're all the way loose, and so the springs help them push the shock up. So this is like a good explanation to like show some of you guys that don't understand like wheelies at the track. Like if your suspension is super loose at the track and it wants to come up really easy, it's gonna obviously wheelie really easy. So like I can pick it up all the way loose really easy, like you guys just saw, right? This is all the way tight. And so most people like with limiters, right? If you have like an inch of movement up, it'll still want to wheelie because it's trying to like carry that momentum up. But you tighten it to where like it can't move. Watch this, like I can't even lift it at all.
Dude, that's crazy. Does it really
Like,
change that much?
Bro, I can't lift it. Like that's as far as I got, bro.
Damn.
Not like I'm seeing stars. And then the second I loosen these all the way, or like look, let's even go. We'll go all the way, and then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks, 5 clicks. We'll go halfway, right? Like we'll see if I can pick it up now.
Wait, did you do it on the other side too?
Yeah, I did both of them at the same time.
Oh, what the heck, dude?
That's what I'm saying, dude. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Science, baby.
Damn.
That's weird, no, but this is like this right here, like controls like how fast the weight transfers and like just how it wheelies and how. That's why like this whole front suspension thing being adjustable, I think is gonna help the car a lot.
Yeah.
That's crazy to see though.
So no wheelies?
I hope not.
All right, the camera's about to die, so.
All right, let's load it up now. All right, guys. So it's gonna be the ending of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tomorrow morning, we're going to go get the cage certified. Hopefully we have 0 issues and it all goes great and it gets certified to 6.0 and gets the badge. I guess if anything, we'll just have to modify something if he doesn't like something. So I'm sure it'll all be good, but I hope you guys are excited. Finally gonna have a cage, finally be able to rip this thing out the quarter mile and not get in trouble. So got it all loaded up. Thanks to Carlos, and we're gonna head out of here and go home.
Hey, I thought you were gonna buy me dinner. What the heck?
I already ate.
You treating me again,
R.I.P. bro. I thought we were gonna get margaritas, dude.
What the heck?
I thought we were getting margaritas.
All
All right, margaritas. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Soft enough for you, buddy?
Yes.